And this is George. Together, we've been traveling around the world since 2013, and most of the time on our Poderosita, our motorcycle. Back in 2013, we took a break from our jobs in order to have time for ourselves and for the things we love doing, such as meeting people and exploring the world, and of course, motorcycling. We took a 6-month sabbatical and embarked on a journey around South America. The journey, and especially the freedom we experienced there, changed our lives. When we came back, our friends encouraged us to do something with the photos and the stories we experienced. That's when the idea of Diaries of was born. Diaries of is a paper magazine about travel, adventure, culture, and places from around the world. We've experienced many different cultures, and we've made heartwarming encounters. We invite you to come along and explore this awe-inspiring world with us.
Goodbye.